Hey people, you need to listen to this video. The last one I made about warning, watch out about some things that are going on right now. Not with Medicare and not with the Medicare plans, but people that are working with them. Because let me tell you something about Medicare plans like your Advantage and Supplement. Just because a doctor or someone that affiliates with them joins them, uh, doesn't mean that they're for it. Okay? But the proof is here. Came in my mail today. Came in my mail today. Here's the test tube. I'm supposed to send a sample of something. I think saliva or something, or might be stool samples in a juicy letter here. Look at this. Okay. Earl, your screening test is here. Here it is. Earl, your screening test is here. This at-home test is safe and easy to complete. We're working with Everly Well, an independent company. An independent company. How about? Uh-huh. And who are these scumbags? Or do they even have a laboratory? Okay. It has been cleared by the Food and Drug Administration, FDA. These test kits are convenient, safe, and accurate. Food and Drug Administration, they helped the COVID hoax and killed a bunch of people. Okay. And accurate? Accurate according to who? Accurate according to who? If I send a test in, tested by whom? A Pakistan, an Iranian, a Ukrainian, um an asshole from Nantucket. Who are they? And how would I trust they're accurate or any of the equipment that may be at hand, which I doubt if there is any equipment. Collect your sample, return the at-home test, send your samples back by December 15th, 2026. Your test results will be sent to you and your doctor within 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, hold on. Here it is, people. Here it is. This is it right here. I mean, you can read it for yourself if you're able here. Okay. Then okay, right here is a little thing that came with it. And you open it up, see, and it was setting in there. And this soft paper and the little sample was taker was sitting in here like this. Okay. And then after you do your sample, you put it in this bag right here. Okay. People, let me tell you a couple of things right here. Whoever you are, do not do this. You do not have to do. Okay? As far as I'm concerned, this never came in my mail. It's not certified mail, so it didn't come in my mail. And if they ever sent it certified, okay, my response to my Advantage program I belong to, Medicare Advantage, it'd be I don't do at-home tests. I don't do them. If I get sick, I will go to the doctor. Mhm. Nobody has to do this. This is America, people. Let me shove this garbage back in. But see, I'm supposed to take this sample of stool. I didn't even read the directions. I think some of these, what it is, You stick it in your a hole. Yeah, here you go. I think that's what it is, or it may be where you stick it in your mouth, so it's saliva. See, and you push it back in here. These are for one of two things: saliva or stool sample. Okay. All right, put that in there. Save this little bag. I'm glad this came because I could show y'all. I could show y'all. Even show y'all the juicy letter I sent. You know what this is, people? I'm going to tell you what this is. Okay, you know the fake hantavirus? See, they were preparing you people. What it is, they decided to start the COVID thing all over again. See, it's been found there was no cruise on that cruise ship they're showing in videos. There never was a crew on it. And there never was that crew. That's been exposed. That's been discovered. Okay? Um, what this shit is right here, it's so that when you do this sampling, you send it in, it'll be, we suspect you may have contracted hantavirus. You need to go to your doctor and get the latest virus injection done. Okay? And then it'll go on, say, if you refuse being you cooperative with this shit, it'll be, you will be quarantined based on our test results if you do not comply. Don't you see what this is leading to, people? Don't do it. Don't do it. This came in my mail. YouTube, let people see this video because these creeps are going to murder a lot of people and say that they had hantavirus or hantavirus. See, and they're going to get injections in them and to kill more people. That's what this is about. Don't do this, people, because see, if you go along with this, and it even has in there, this will be your personal ID, where you sign your name. See, they want your signature that you trust their test results of their lab. And this is called Everly Well PWN Laboratory LLC in Illinois. No, people. No, 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 no. Here you go, right here. If you do this, if you don't listen to my video or YouTube, you do not let people view this video, you're going to be costing the lives of at least hundreds of thousands of people. I'm letting you people know about this. Jesus Christ, I know, wanted me to make this video today. And it's amazing how I just made that video. I believe it was earlier this morning about how they murdered my mom in the hospital and said she had COVID. And now this comes in the mail. How about that? I'm not going to do this, and I don't have to. Because, see, as an American, there is no law that says a package will come in the mail with a sample taker and put that in your boo hole or in your mouth for saliva, and you have to send it back to them people. There is no such thing. There is no such thing, people. See, if you comply to this and you sign it, that I trust any results uh, sent back to me, notifying me, and also notifying my doctor. And they tell you within 1 week they send this to any doctor you're using. Yeah. So that means all doctors, even if it's not your personal doctor that's in the computer system, they're going to send what is their test result. So sure, they're going to say suspected of hantavirus. then you're not going to be able to get treated at any hospital because they'll say, well, first you have to be treated for hantavirus. Don't you see what's happening? This is what they did with their COVID garbage back in 2020. It's the same thing happening all over again, people. Don't fall for it. It's hard for me to try to tell people, you see this biohazard, you send it back in a little bag. This little test tube, don't you see what's going on? Yeah. See, this is a person signing away their freedom and probably their life right here. It came in my mail. Well, okay. I hope you people don't, you know, Jesus Christ, please give people the discernment to know. I'm telling them the truth. I'm bringing the truth to them, Jesus Christ. I love you, Almighty God. I love you, Jesus Christ. Anyway, people, later. Hey, I'm trying and I tried. Later.